Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny back again. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to take some time to connect with the dragons. Don't be afraid of them. They are loving and supportive, friendly, powerful beings of light that are here to help us to work with our own light, to shine our light, and to transmute everything back to love and back to light. So we're going to take this time to open up to them, try to connect with them, and see what messages they have for us. But it's very important that we trust them. They have our highest interests at heart. They are powerful just like we are. They are connected to the elements just like we are. And they can help us to connect with them even more and to use our gifts, to use our inner fire and to fly, to learn how to walk the earth to our fullest potential and navigate the waters and do everything we need to do to bring our light here and to share it bright, to shine it bright. So just close your eyes and relax as we call on these loving beings to be with us. And just feel guided and supported and reassured by your highest spirit guides, by your angels who are with you, making sure you're okay, your guardian angels right behind you to ensure your safety. Feel her there behind you with her hands on your shoulders. She's going to whisper in your ear that it's safe to call in the dragons to allow them to work with us. So imagine now a powerful dragon coming down from the sky, from the heavens, beautiful winged creature. And this dragon has a message for us. And it's the air dragon. And the air dragon is there to help you rise above earthly matters. And the message this dragon has for you is to communicate honestly, bring inspiration and hope, see life from a higher perspective. So just take that message in. And imagine seeing this dragon flying around above you, through the air, reminding you of your wings, asking you to use your wings, to use the air, taking that energy from the air, breathe it in, connect with that energy. Realize that you live on this earth, but you are not from this earth. We are divine spiritual beings. We are here to bring hope and love and light. And the air dragon can help you remember that by flying free and helping you to fly free, to be yourself. Look at those beautiful wings spread out, and the wings are encouraging you to use yours. Another powerful dragon is going to appear to you now to bring you another message. So now that you feel safe, a new dragon comes, and it's the Earth Dragon. Powerful Earth Dragon standing on the earth just in front of you in all its glory. And the message that this dragon has for you is to stay grounded and be ready to serve. Stuck energy is clearing, and you can move forward in life, because this dragon can clear your path and the land around you. He can move mountains, and he can help you so you can do that on your own. He can show you how to walk the earth and to use the earth to remove obstacles in your path, to work through them and around them, to stay connected with the earth, to use that earth. It is our home right now. We are meant to make the best of it, and the Earth Dragon can help you with that. So remember to go outside and connect with the earth as much as you can, and breathe in that air too for the Air Dragon. 2 element cards here. So the message is to work with the elements. The elements are within you and around you. We are all one, we are all connected. And the dragons can help you with that. And finally, one more dragon comes, and it's the Source Dragon. Beautiful, powerful Source Dragon. Attunes you to the infinite. Be still in the silence. Magic can happen. Be in the moment. So focus on being in this moment now and feeling this dragon energy. He's reminding you that anything is possible. In this moment, anything is possible. There's magic in the air, magic in you. And this dragon wants to awaken that in you, to reawaken it once and for all. So allow this dragon to fly around you and to remind you that you are source light. You are powerful just like that dragon. You can fly just like that dragon. You carry light just like that dragon. You are connected to the source. The source is within you. So connect with the source, with the earth, with the air, and use all these dragons to help you move forward in your life. Notice how safe they are to work with. They only want the best for you. They only want to help. Nothing to fear. Just be grateful for these beautiful winged creatures, spiritual winged creatures, carrying light, and know that you carry light, and you are connected to the earth now, and you are here to bring the light. These dragons can help you to do that. So just take this time to thank all these beautiful dragons for coming forward, for working with us. Thank our guardian angel for joining us as well, for protecting us, making sure we're safe, and for reminding us that it is safe to work with these dragons. And the dragons say thank you for trusting them. They look forward to seeing you again. Slowly take your time gathering up all the energy and all the messages that we gained, packing it into your physical bodies. Slowly taking your time, getting ready to come back to where you started. Packing all that energy into your bodies, starting to move your fingers and your toes. Slowly coming back and transitioning, getting ready to slowly open your eyes, taking all the time you need. And just know that you are safe and protected and connected with these loving beings who are there to help. All is well. All is safe.